We are pleased to show you the 2026 Toyota Crown. The Toyota Crown takes premium to a whole new level. Sleek exterior styling and a deluxe interior will blow you away while still providing the trustworthiness you've come to expect from Toyota. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.